Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Jagaimo no okakamayo salad. It's very simple potato salad, but by adding okaka or katsuobushi or bonito flakes to it, you can instantly Japanize it and transport your dining table to Japan. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Jagaimo no okakamayo salad. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Some potatoes, 3 or 4, 1 onion, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available, 1 tablespoon of ponzu sauce, some salt and pepper, and 2 or 3 packs of katsuobushi bonito flakes. Let's cook the potatoes first. Peel the skin. Remove these eyes using the heel of the knife. And cut it into bite-sized pieces. Put it in the bowl that you can microwave. Same for the rest of the potatoes. Put about 3 tablespoons of water so that it doesn't dry while you cook it. Cover it and microwave until it's nice and soft. I did 10 minutes at 600 watts. I mix it once in the middle. And now, the toothpick can easily go through. Let's just put it aside and cool down. It doesn't have to be completely cold. Just wait until it's lukewarm. In the meantime, let's slice the onion. Cut the top and the bottom off. Cut it into half. And I'm making it into very thin slices, like paper thin slices using vegetable slicer. You can of course use knife. Set strainer in the bowl, and let's just make it into thin slices. Add some cold water and rub it in the water so that it's not too tangy. And drain. Onion is ready and potato is lukewarm. So let's finish it. You just need to put everything in one bowl. Mayonnaise, ponzu sauce, some salt and pepper, about half teaspoon. Mix it well. Potato, onion, as you remove the excess water by squeezing it really well. So take some, squeeze it, into the bowl. And katsuobushi bonito flakes, 2 or 3 packs, depending on how Japanese you want to make it. Give it a mix. Try not to mash potato too much. Serve in the bowl. And じゃがいものおかかマヨサラダ It's ready to go. Super easy. Time for the tasting. Iただきます。Katsuobushi bonito flakes make the whole difference. And the slight tanginess of the onion adds nice accent to it, and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. じゃがいものおかかマヨサラダ is a side, so it goes here. Some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other side. Anything you like for the other dishes. But how about sukiyaki yaki udon here, which will also cover the main, and your favorite miso soup here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.